Hey there! Welcome to our little chat about nailing down role-based permissions in Microsoft 360 messaging. Sounds like a lot to handle, right? Well, you can actually master this with a few tricks up your sleeve. Let's dive into this together and make it all clear, okay? So imagine you are the Chief Information Officer in an old corporate firm, and you've just been told about the magic world of Microsoft 365 messaging with Exchange Online and Teams. You've heard it keeps emails in order and Teams in close, but how do you manage your mega staff's permissions? Let me guide you through it like I'm showing a magician's tricks. First things first, picture Azure Active Directory as the bustling city of Adopolis where everyone's credentials and roles are determined. Now, the city's infrastructure, namely Exchange Online and Teams, is like two massive skyscrapers, each with their own set of functionalities for the residents. In the realm of Azure Active Directory, we identify these functionalities, known as built-in roles. You got mail recipient creations, which give users access to forward and delegate emails. Then there's organization configuration, which hands you control over organization-wide settings. You start by getting a firm grasp of the built-in roles that Exchange Online and Teams, these two skyscrapers of our messaging city, provide. It's like understanding the power structures. The more know-how you have, the better you can put everyone at ease in their roles. You might ask, why these roles? They're specifically designed to manage permissions, right? Let's talk about the setup, step by step. To begin, think of the permission settings as a personalized suite for your employees. Each suite has particular buttons, zippers, and pockets that let them perform specific job functions, such as reading emails or updating calendars. Now, you can customize these suites according to job functions, like creating a mail recipient, granting them access to inward communication, or assigning the workspace permission admins, empowering them to control and adjust Teams settings to suit the corporative attire. As a senior cloud architect, you are a bit of a detective, digging into the intricate workings of Microsoft Azure, aren't you? Let's put that talent to use to troubleshoot some common issues. Imagine your employee encounters a hiccup. Maybe they suddenly can't send emails or they aren't finding certain tabs in Teams. You know, those occasional snags that occur while navigating the complex fabric of Microsoft messaging. To solve these puzzles, start with the user's role permissions. Check if they've been wrongly labeled as mail recipient instead of an email administrator when they should be replying to company-wide emails. Maybe a permission revocation is required. Using your skills, you delve into the user's assigned build roles and the permissions to find the misfit and rectify it. Each permission needs to be meticulously audited, ensuring the user has the right one for the task at hand. Only then can they perform efficiently without causing a ruckus in your digital office. Now, consider your team's collaboration ecosystem. Picture your teams as a well-orchestrated symphony, and each team member has a role. When permissions are not set correctly, it's like playing the wrong note on a violin. You need harmony, right? That's where assigning roles based on team functions comes in. Create, for example, a team membership manager role for admins who can invite and remove members from teams. This ensures the right people are in the right places, tuning the entire system for optimal collaboration. Diving deeper into the technical rabbit hole, remember to manage group-level permissions too. Let's say for an organization-wide training event, only a select group of people needs to access the content. You, my friend, assign the group mailbox read-write permission to these specialists, giving them access to specific content without throwing the entire company's sensitive data into the lion's den. And it's always essential to have a safety net, a backup plan. In case all else fails, creating PowerShell scripts that can automate permission assignments and revocations on the fly. That way, your employees need not rely on their own skills to manage these tasks, you grant them the power to manage up. Let's not forget the importance of regular permissions health checks. Imagine sending your staff on a security patrol. It ensures everyone is using only the permissions they need to perform their actual work, without overreaching into confidential territories. It's like training your employees to only walk in areas they're supposed to, avoiding the lesser-known regions of your digital property. Remember, consistency is key across all Microsoft 365 tenants too. Uniformity like this maintains a cohesive user experience and keeps everyone's access on path, ensuring that if they work in one tenant, they have the same rights as in another. By now, your organization's role-based permissions should be rock solid, as resilient as the fortress that stands in the center of Aedopolis, with Exchange Online and Teams as its towers. Now, with your empowered staff adeptly handling messaging roles, your corporation can handle workload like a pro, and you, the architect of this realm, have mastered this essential aspect of cloud infrastructure with justifiable pride. Gracias for joining me for this expedition into the heart of managing roles within Microsoft 365 messaging. Remember, folks, always keep your security keys close and your permissions closer. Visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab for more insights into the cloud. Adios. I hope this chat clarified a lot for you. Remember, a well-managed Microsoft 365 is like a finely tuned orchestra, every bit and piece working in perfect harmony. That would be you and Microsoft 365 on the other side of your computer.